Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latini. Are you the type looking for a very good shower gel to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to remove dead skin cell on your skin, to cleanse your skin, and to also exfoliate the skin for you? This shower gel I'm coming to give my honest review on is enriched with healthy natural ingredients such as a carrot oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, citric acid, and other natural ingredients. Beautiful people, in this video, I'm going to share my honest review on Caro White Lightening Shower Gel. This shower gel is very good for lightening the skin, for brightening the skin, for glowing the skin, and also for whitening and removing dark spots on the skin. In this video, I'll share with you guys what this shower gel is. I'll share with you guys who should use this shower gel, and I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin, and I will share some few ingredients that I use to formulate this shower gel, how you should use it perfectly, and also the side effect of using this shower gel. This shower gel is very good for all skin types. It's very good for people who want to glow their skin, who want to lighten their skin, who want to achieve that kind of smooth and soft skin. Beautiful people, watch this video till the end. Caro White Lightening Shower Gel is a very healthy shower gel that exfoliates the skin, that cleans the skin, that removes dirt on the skin, and it also brings out your natural glow. It's very good for all skin type, but it's not recommended for a sensitive skin person or people with sensitive skin. This shower gel is good for normal skin people. It's also good for a dry skin person. It's good for an oily skin person, and it's also good for a combination skin person. This shower gel helps to remove dirt on the skin. It removes dark spots on the skin. It also cleans the skin. It's brightening the skin. It's lightening the skin, and it's whitening the skin as well. Now let's look at some few ingredients that I use to formulate this Caro White Lightening Shower Gel. They use a carrot oil, they use citric acid, they use vitamin E, they use vitamin A, they use vitamin C, a kojic acid, sodium chloride, and also a bit of hydroquine. That is why it's whitening the skin. Some of the ingredients that I use to formulate this shower gel is very strong, very strong. So if you have a sensitive skin and maybe you want to whiten your skin or you want to lighten your skin and you want to use Caro White Shower Gel, you need to identify some of the ingredients that I use to formulate this shower gel. It's not recommended for a dark skin person. Kindly take note. It's not recommended for a dark skin person, but it is recommended for a caramel skin person and also a light skin person, and also someone who is already fair and want to be extra fairer. It glows the skin, it's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin, it's whitening the skin, it removes dirt on the skin, it removes dead skin cell, and it also exfoliates the skin. It gives you that kind of healthy, radiant natural glow, and it also works on uneven tone skin as well. And moreover, if you have dark spots on your skin or maybe you have blemishes on your skin, this shower gel helps to eliminate all those problems. Now, the reason why I said it's not recommended for a sensitive skin person and a dark skin person is that, most at time, any shower gel that contains hydroquine or citric acid, it reacts on the skin when you are a sensitive skin person and you use it. Sometimes when you use it, you feel this kind of itches on the skin or a bit of rashes on the skin. Okay, that is when you are a sensitive skin person. And moreover, if you are a dark skin person and you end up using this shower gel consistently, you end up having dark knuckles, especially on your toe, your elbow, and then your fingers as well. It's not recommended for a dark skin person. If you are a dark skin person and you want to achieve that kind of a caramel shade or a caramel skin tone, you can use it, but do not use it consistently because it's very strong. And moreover, when you are using this shower gel, make sure you get a very nice oil to nourish the skin, because when you use this shower gel on your skin, sometimes you may feel dryness on your skin. So make sure if you use it, you get a very nice moisturizer or an oil to nourish the skin and to also moisturize the skin as well. You are supposed to use this shower gel morning and evening. In fact, this is how the shower gel is. It's very good for lightening the skin. It's very good for whitening the skin. It's very good for brightening the skin. I want us to open it and see how the fragrance is, and see how the texture also looks like. In fact, this is how it is. If you want to open it, you can do it like this. I'm coming. This is how the shower gel is. It's in a form of orange color and it's very thick. So I want us to open it to see how the smell is and also how the texture is. In fact, it's very thick. Okay, and this is the original one. You know, most of the shower gels in the market out there comes in two types. They have the original one and they have the fake one, and moreover, this is the original one, so you could notice that it's very, very thick. Let me pour it for us to see how it is. This is how you see this is how the texture looks like, and it smells very, very nice. In fact, this is one of the best shower gel with the nicest fragrance, or that has a very nice fragrance. It smells like vitamin C. Those of you who have ever used vitamin C before knows how the fragrance is. It smells so, so nice. And moreover, sometimes if you want to achieve that kind of whitening skin tone by using this shower gel, then I would suggest before you go to the bathhouse, you apply some on the skin, like apply it on the skin and wait for 15 to 20 minutes before going to the bathhouse, and allow it to dry on the skin within that 15 minutes. If you have your fan or your AC, you can sit inside the AC or you can sit under the fan. Make sure that the shower gel is well dried on the skin, because when it happens like that, it's going to remove all the dead skin cell on the skin. It's going to cleanse the skin, it's going to exfoliate the skin, and it's also going to make the skin very, very smooth and soft. Please apply it on the skin very well, especially your armpits, around your neck, your dark inner thighs, and everywhere, and wait for it to dry on you within that 15 minutes before going to the bathhouse. And in the bathhouse, rinse it off on the skin before pouring some in your sponge to bath on the skin. Okay, it clears dark spots on the skin, but take note, do not use this shower gel on your face. Something that contains hydroquine, something that contains citric acid, something that contains ecotic acid is not advisable to be used on the face. You know, as I've applied it on my skin, I could feel a bit of burns on my skin because it's very, very strong. So it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. It's not recommended for dark skin people. Okay, you are supposed to use it morning and evening, and moreover, when you are using it, make sure you don't expose the body under the sun. Okay, because it contains hydroquine. I always say that anything that involves hydroquine and you apply on the skin, do not expose the body under the sun, because it's not a product that contains sunscreen. All right, so protect the skin from the sun when you are using this shower gel. Okay, it's lightening the skin, it's whitening the skin, it's brightening the skin, it removes dead skin cell on the skin, it exfoliates the skin, it gives you that kind of radiant skin glow, and it brings out your natural glow, especially when you use it with a very good lotion, a very good cream, a very good moisturizer, or a very good oil. Okay, it's not recommended for sensitive skin people, it's not recommended for dark skin people, even though a dark skin person can use it to achieve a caramel skin tone. But take note, do not use it consistently if you are a dark skin person. It smells very nice, it has a very nice fragrance, and it helps to cleanse the skin, it helps to exfoliate the skin. So you can give it a try and send me your review under the video. Please, if you have ever used this Caro White Lightening Shower Gel before, you can please share your review with me or your testimony with me under the video. And please, if you have not subscribed to Latini Skincare channel, I'll plead with you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video on this channel, you will be the first to receive a notification from me. And to my retained subscribers, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for supporting the channel, for helping the channel to grow, and also coming back to watch my videos as well. I really appreciate you guys. Please remember to like and share. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.